My name is Seán Concannon. I work for Cork City Council. My main role is desktop support. We have about 40 satellite offices based around the city. Within those offices, we have 10 library branches. Before we started using Faronics Cloud, about 20% of my time would have been sorting issues with the public machines. The biggest problem we probably had with our public PCs in the branch libraries was people were downloading pay slips or whatever, leaving them on the desktop. So we badly needed a way of trying to tie down what the public could do or couldn't do on the machines. So we wanted to offer exactly what we wanted people to use, be it internet, be it printing, and when the machine reboot, we wanted it back to the way we had it. With WinSelect, we were able to do that. It was amazing how much it actually fitted into what we wanted to do, and that's crucial to our offering, I'll be honest with you. Back in the day, I guess, before we started using Faronics Cloud, we had all of public PCs in the libraries, we had them on a separate domain. What I found especially about it was you had to go to a lot of trouble to fix any issues. It's tied down so well with Faronics Cloud that it works perfectly, 100% of the time, all the time. You know, I get emotional kind of about it because the more you're asking me about back then and now, the more it has drastically changed from the panic, the ultimate panic we used to be in, trying to make sure that our PCs, public PCs were okay and were safe or whatever like that, to now I can check the cloud and just see if things are okay, whatever like that. God bless WinSelect is all I can say, because it's really solved a major issue for us, and it's a godsend, I'll be honest with you.